I'ma head out then.
Last night I left cookies on her neck. Wait, you just dissed me, I'm perplexed. Insult me in a line with money on the neck. Damn, I'm really sorry you want me to have a heart attack. Was watching 8 Mile on my yard track. Realized I forgot to call you back. Here's that autograph for your daughter. I'm on the starter cap.
It ain't gonna be loud if you just say it wrong. Oh no, I don't want to believe it. I don't want to believe it. It's a SDK clothing. It looks good too. How long did it take out to put this together? I dropped it off Jake Zimmerman at SDK too. He was there about 3 weeks. Yeah, but he didn't work on it. I told him I wasn't in a hurry, so yeah, just take your time with it.
I was talking to my partner the other day. He was telling me about the struggle within himself and his demons. Then he told me the more that he started to understand his demons, the more that he started to rumble. Back to Memphis to see my daughters. If I don't show up, then know something is wrong. Better just not. Got a son on the way and his mother is bitching. I should calm down, shut up and listen, but I keep on touring.
I'm running an amp short.
Are you usually run 3?
3.5.
What you running now at
133.
Oh Lord.
I ain't getting squat out of them amps right now.
Yeah, you gambling with it. Where can I find you at, man? Let them know they can find you at.
I'm out of Effingham County, Georgia, South Georgia.
Yes, sir. Well, yes, sir. Let them know what you're running too.
Running 6 ZD6 15s, 6 order, D-pillar. Right now it's on 2 Ruthless 8500s.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you on Facebook too, right?
Yeah, Facebook, Craig Scott.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Just appreciate the demo, man.
Sure, bud.
Yeah, well, that's what we're gonna move around too. Yeah, man. This day go by fast, man. It'll be over with before we know it.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.